Welcome back to ORG AutoCar, the channel where we bring you the most exciting and futuristic innovations from around the world, from next-generation cars to incredible engineering marvels. And today, we're diving deep under the waves to explore something truly extraordinary, the brand-new, next-generation 2026 ROKS Kim Jwa-jin SS-092, officially unveiled as one of South Korea's most advanced and powerful submarines ever built. The 2026 ROKS Kim Jwa-jin SS-092 represents the future of naval engineering, combining stealth, power, and technology in one incredible vessel. This new submarine is part of South Korea's ongoing drive to modernize its naval fleet and establish itself as a global leader in underwater defense capabilities. Built by Daewoo Shipbuilding Marine Engineering, the Kim Jwa-jin is a part of the cutting-edge KSS-III Batch-II class, a new generation of diesel-electric attack submarines with unmatched underwater performance. One of the most remarkable features of this submarine is its advanced air-independent propulsion system. This allows the ROKS Kim Jwa-jin to operate underwater for extended periods without surfacing, making it far more stealthy and efficient than conventional diesel-electric subs. It's equipped with advanced lithium-ion battery technology that enhances energy storage, allowing longer and quieter missions, a major leap forward in submarine design. When it comes to firepower, this vessel doesn't disappoint. The 2026 ROKS Kim Jwa-jin is armed with both torpedoes and vertical launch systems capable of deploying cruise missiles. These weapons give it the ability to strike both sea and land targets with pinpoint accuracy, providing the South Korean Navy with a significant strategic advantage. It's not just a defensive asset, it's a key deterrent in maintaining peace and balance in regional waters. The submarine also comes with advanced sonar, radar, and electronic warfare systems, ensuring superior detection and evasion capabilities. The design focuses on minimizing acoustic signatures, meaning it can operate silently, undetected by enemy sensors. Every detail of its hull has been engineered for hydrodynamic efficiency, making it one of the quietest submarines in its class. Inside, the Kim Jwa-jin offers a high level of automation and improved living conditions for the crew. Modern digital control systems reduce manual workloads, allowing sailors to focus on mission-critical operations. The submarine's interior layout is designed for comfort and safety during long missions beneath the ocean. The launch of the 2026 ROKS Kim Jwa-jin SS-092 marks a defining moment for South Korea's naval ambitions. It's not just a vessel, it's a symbol of technological independence and national pride. As part of South Korea's growing KSS-III program, this submarine ensures that the country remains at the forefront of maritime defense innovation. So, what do you think about this next-generation underwater powerhouse? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest automotive and defense innovations from around the world. This is ORG AutoCar, where technology meets power, and the future is always just a dive away.